Good morning guys, it's day 3 and we're ready for our next adventure. Guys, we're in Noah's Cafe for breakfast. Hey. So I'm having a bagel with egg and avocado. We're here at Olondanobo Biratan. And by the way, it's Trish's birthday.
Happy birthday to me. I'm already 25.
Ganito ba tayo? O sige, hubaran pa yung isa dito. Tapos, ang lamig. Ito pa yung outfit namin. Pero, nasa tuktok pala kami. Ang lamig, guys. Ano eh? Guys, ang peaceful dito. Ganito ang bakasyon. Peaceful lang. So, dapat ganito ang makuha naming picture. Pero, sa mga kasama kong to, tingnan na lang natin kung may picture ba ang makukuha. Guys, behind me is the temple. Ayan. Pwede kang magbangka-bangka. And you know what? This is my favorite here kasi ang lamig. Although there is sun. Ayan, mainit-init siya. Pero, hindi mo siya ramdam kasi I love the weather. This is what it looks like here. Hi guys! Off to our next stop. This is the Handara Gate. Oh, Handara Gate. Ayan. Oh my God, so pretty. Mas walang pila dito compared sa Gate of Heavens. Kaya dito kami. Ayan, ganda. Kasi mainit guys. Guys, this is our driver, Bebot. Bebot. Hey, ang bait niya, tingnan mo, meron kaming umbrella. Ang init kasi. Ang arte. Bebot. You know, there's a song in Philippines we call Bebot.
Yeah, really?
Bebot. Ayun na guys, nag-video na and picture ang birthday girl. Kunyari ganyan lang kayo, diba? Pero tingnan nyo yung pila. Eng.
Talikod.
It's so hot.
Very, very hot.
Guys, off to our next stop from Katempulan. Ngayon, kabundukan na naman tayo. Tayo bababa. Ayan, we're going to the falls. Guys, akala nyo yung spaghetti lang yung pababa. Ayun, dito puros pababa ng pababa. Amazing. Punta kayo dun sa falls. Pero yung dadaanan nyo is ganito. So ano, kaya pa? Guys, after 10 araw na pagtitrekking, ayan, nakarating na rin kami. Oh, it's so pretty. It's worth the walk. Ang ganda. Ang sarap maligo guys, kasi wala kaming dalang panligo. Hi guys, we're having lunch at Warung Dadari. And look at that, we're eating Indonesian food. That's it. This is the end of our video for today.